What up, guys? It's whatever my name is. I'm not gonna tell because I have different accounts. I just got home and we found something, and this is just a short video just to tell you the news. What happened? Dylan?
I have nothing.
You have nothing. And my tripod broke, so it's gonna be horrible like
How?
this.
How did
It broke because the bottom part
Let me see.
went.
Where?
No, I have a tripod at my dad's and it broke.
Oh, I think you said your phone.
No! Dylan,
What?
cameraman, hold it.
Okay.
If you look,
Hey, a
we have
butterfly.
a nest.
Here.
Wait, let me
Mom's
get
trying to kill a spider and it is fun.
Here.
Look at
little eggs.
I tried to hit
We found this like today. Good thing we can get up there because that's all I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching. Go subscribe to the link in the description. Whatever. Goodbye.